Today we invited Alexandria City Public Schools, to join us here at Noblis in our Noblis Innovation and Collaboration Center for a really great day of STEM education, demos, activities, and really, introducing the students to the benefits of STEM education.
Do you guys combine your AI technology with these robots?
Yes, so we do have some work with the AI technology.
We opened up 4 different stations here today. The first one is our Autonomous Systems Center. And down there we have robots, we have drones, we have rovers, and the students are able to really interact with those, steer them, and see how they operate. We invited the students into our atrium with several of our technologists to really get familiar with immersive technology.
All that DNA comes spilling out.
We had them in our Life Sciences Center where they were experimenting with a whole variety of biological and genetic capture techniques, sequencing strawberries, for example. Then finally, we took them down to our Forensics Center.
Some of those were used to make these patterns.
Where our team of experts in that field ran a whole variety of demonstrations and activities around fingerprinting, around shoe trace analysis, tire track analysis, to really get a feel for how forensics examiners perform those critical duties.
Oh, they were so engaged and they were super excited and hands-on with everything. And they have a lot of background, so they brought that to the table. They asked great questions, great engagement with the people that work here and the kids.
It's very important for us to share back with students, with young people.
It's important for that early exposure so they can build on those skills because innovation and technology is now and it's also the future and they need to be ready.
Thank you to all of our technologists and scientists who spent the day here with the students and imparting knowledge. And then finally, a shout out to Virginia Tech and the Innovation Campus again for being such fantastic partners in these kind of events.